with a differentiated design and unrivaled technology. Eascable provides a stable connection without interruption in any environment. Introducing our optical cable solution, which combines precision and efficiency. The loose tube optical cable is designed to accommodate up to 288 cores and offers excellent mechanical properties. The loose tube self-supporting optical cable, suitable for overhead installation, is an integrated structure with a probe, making installation easy. The loose tube, fully non-conductive optical cable ensures safe use by ensuring tensile strength through the use of aramid yarn. The loose tube pneumatic installation optical cable is a compact, lightweight cable ideal for microduct piping. Ribbon tube optical cable achieves high-density, multi-core connections and lightweight performance through its ribbon structure. Available in round and flat types, the incoming optical cable is designed to maximize on-site installation convenience. The drop optical cable for FT each has an economical structure for overhead installation. The hybrid tonable drop cable features a compact, lightweight structure that utilizes dark fiber. It also boasts excellent compression characteristics and is highly efficient, requiring less cable preparation and installation time. Eascable manufactures the highest quality optical cables, ensuring uninterrupted networks and stable performance even in diverse environments and complex conditions. Eascable.